Hi and welcome to Reseller News Weekends. My name is Rich Pasini. Today is September 30th, 2018. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to the new subscribers who subscribe to my channel. I hope you get something out of it and you keep coming back for more. This is going to be a news brief. I like to keep this short and sweet, so without further ado, let's get right to it. I have a couple windows open up here and I want to go through them one by one. I do not read them all verbatim, so please note that. I don't want people to think I read the whole thing here. I know in something like I think 5 windows are open up here, or 6, whatever. I'm just going to go over these here, talk a little briefly about it, tell you where I got the what website is from, and then the rest is up to you to pick up where I left off. This one here is from the website is en.brinkwire.com, and the story goes on here. It's Holly Willoughby's M&S dress sells out in days, and a frock is now worth double on eBay. Holly Willoughby's M&S collection has gone down well with shoppers. Customers love the leopard print dress so much that it is now sprung up on eBay. This month, Holly Willoughby announced that she was launching her own fashion line. To her fans' delight, she later revealed that M&S had collaborated with her on a 20-piece autumnal range. Even though the items have been just hit the stores, they are already flying off the shelves. Her garments are that are selling out fast, and what to do if they are out of stock. And you could read the rest of the story. I'm not going to read it because, like I said, I want to keep this short and sweet. You could check it out over here. It just goes on to say very briefly over here, like I said here, I don't want to read the whole thing, but it says, oh yeah, this is probably why she had sold out the sizes 6 to 14 on MS website. On the Twitter, some customers have been worrying that they won't be able to get their hands on this garment. I don't know I'm not too familiar with Holly, what is this here, Holly Willoughby's? I'm not too familiar with this here, to be honest with folks. I don't know, maybe you guys are out there, but I just thought I'd share it with you. It's going to be, I guess, in the UK, because you can see the little the sign here. They got look like they're at different prices here, 75, 100, and 100, whatever. Although it looks like a nice piece of clothing, I guess, for a woman. If you're into that type of style, you might want to check it out. I'm not going to read the rest of this story, folks. You can check it out for yourself, and just go to, again, one more time with the website. It's enwbrinkwire.com. Let's move right along. This one here is EBid. I don't know if you guys are familiar with EBid. I tell you the truth, it might be a good alternative to sell on there. You can sell on there because you can see up here, it says over here, start shopping, start selling, register for free, my EBid. I might have an account with them. I am not sure. I believe I do, but I might. If I don't, it might be another one. I know there's another type one outside of eBid I had signed up for. But I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you are interested in maybe checking this out, it may be a different selling platform. Maybe you might get better sales than I haven't been getting any sales for the whole month of September. I think all I got was 2 sales, and pretty sad. But you might want to check out eBid. It looks like it's a UK site, from what I can see here with the little emblem of here. You might want to check into it. I'm quite sure you could sell on it. I don't see why not. But anyway, I just picked out a couple pieces here that they have right now, I guess for the Halloween type of time of the year. It says over here, The Curse of Frankenstein, the 1956 UK Hammer Quad, Peter Cushing, Christopher Lee. I don't know, it's selling over here, according to this here, buy it now at 4,500, would they have it in pounds or whatever it is, or I forget. But you could check it out if you want to go there and look it over. Yeah, that's what they got going on over here. And yeah, you could check it out here. Hammer Horror, whatever. I'm just looking at it really quick here, just going over it. Overseas collectors shipped by global priority. Discount for post and packaging, multiple purchases in same order. Yeah, you might want to check it out. And I have another one opened up over here. This one here is the Bugatti 35 automobile 1/10 scale handmade model. This is going for $39.95, and it's got over here you can make an offer. Okay, ships to the United States. It's $100. Total $4,095. If you're into this type of collectible car, I guess it's a 1/10 scale model, so you might want to check that out. I'm not going to go through a whole bunch of them, because this person has more listings here, and you could check them out for yourself. Again, I'm sorry if I didn't tell you the website on the other one as well. It's EBid, www.ebid.net. You could check that out as well. So I'm going to bump out of this one here, and I'm going to bump out of this. And don't forget, folks, you might be interested in selling in here. So check it out. See, do the reviews on it first. Go to Google, do a Google search on it, and type in eBid reviews and see what people are saying, whether they like it. It's a yay or a nay on as far as selling wise. It doesn't hurt to check into it, to just do a little research on it. So you might want to check that out. Anyway, let me get out of here. For those who are in the New York area, I'm over here on the East Coast. I'm in New York, but I live in the suburbs. I'm on Long Island, which is a long island surrounded by a body of water. We have this here is going. Amazon's opening up a 4-star store in New York City. Now, where I'm located, by train it's about 45 minutes by train. By car it's probably a little less time, because the only reason I say because the train makes stops in there. But anyway, if you're in the New York City area when this opens up, I don't know if it's opening up right now, but it goes on. Oh, yeah, by the way, this site here is www.retaildie.com, and this story goes on to say over here, Amazon on Wednesday announced the opening of a store concept. Wait, here, let me read this one more time. I'm reading too fast. Amazon on Wednesday announced the opening of a store concept in New York City's Soho neighborhood, where everything for sale is rated 4 stars or better, is a top seller, or is a new and trending on the site. Okay, you could check this out here. I don't know exactly. It doesn't say over here when it is opening up here. Or let me see here. I'm just trying. Like I said, I don't have the time to read all of this here. I don't want to get too much into it. I don't want to expand on one topic because I got just 2 other windows open up, and then I want to just close out. You know what? It doesn't say exactly when. Let's see here. Hold on for a second. Okay, almost in New York City. Here's the look. It's September 28th. Well, you know what? Do a little research on your own. It doesn't really say when. I don't see over here as far as like when it's going to open up. Okay, but you can check it out. And for those who do live in the New York area, or if you're on the island like I am, I'm sure you're going to catch wind of this here. You might want to check it out. I'm thinking to myself of even taking the train in and checking it out myself to see what it's all about. If I do go and check it out, I will let you know. Maybe I'll shoot some video on my cell phone and check it out and give you guys a little update of what it's all about. But yeah, this is what it's going to be like, and it's going to be in New York City, which is not bad. Like I said again, if I do take the train in, it's about 45 minutes by train. So we'll see. I'll let you know. I'll keep you guys posted. And let's move right along here. For those who know me, I am consider myself as the frugal entrepreneur. And with that in mind, I like to, I'm a very conservative spender. I buy only a necessity. And at the same time, I do like to save. And this site says it all. Frugal for less. Never pay 100%. Anyway, the reason why I brought this up here, folks, is they have online jobs that pay per hour, 10 part-time and full-time positions. If you want to check it out, folks, I don't want to forget the URL here. It's www.frugalforless.com. And you can check it out. Just see the highlights right here. I'm just going to go through the highlights of just the things that are highlighted over here. VipKid, they pay per hour, okay? And it says over here, with tutors are paid $14 to $18 per hour or more. And then they got part-time or full-time. And then they give you the main qualifications. You can read that. Chegg tutors, all right? They say over here, Chegg tutors pays a flat rate of $20 an hour, part full-time. Then they give you the qualifications. Q Kids, all right? Same thing, pay per hour, $16 to $20, part of full-time. And they give you the qualifications. Worldwide 101. You could see it for yourself. I'm just going to go through the whole thing. You could check it out. That's why I'm going to give you the URL. If you're interested, you may want to check into it, especially if you're in your surrounding areas. Okay. Let's see. We got over here time, etc. Whatever, etc. A little less than money there, but again, you could check it out. And of course, they got Amazon offers opportunities for work at home customer service associates. Many of the jobs and listings are posting for this position are based on location and the language you speak. The pay per hour is 10 to 18 per hour. Glassdoor cost com.data list $10 an average. Okay, well, you could check it out again. All right, be able to work flexible hours, work from home. That sounds pretty good. You know, for people that are selling on eBay in those slow moments, this might be something to it'd be like an alternative to your pay. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you're not making sales, you might want to check into this Amazon thing here. See how it goes. Let's move right along. Apple at Home Advisor. Okay, so Apple's getting into the game here. You can check that out. Sykes. All right, I'm not too familiar with Sykes. Same thing. Leap Force, I heard of them. Okay, we could look into that. Let's see, what's the other one here? And then they got the final thoughts. And if you're interested in these job postings here, folks, go to frugalforless.com. Okay, and lastly, I just want to share this with you guys. I love the Antiques Roadshow. For those who do sell on eBay, and if you do sell antiques, you might want to check this out, folks. You might want to check this show out. I'm not sure. I think it comes on. They got the hours over here, I think, here. Let's see, watch season. You got to look at the schedules there when they have it. I'm not sure exactly because I haven't been watching TV too much. I pretty much will check it out on the internet. But if you're into in antiques, you might want to check this out. They got all different things too. These are just like little basics here. Episode extras, Andy Warhol Antique Roadshow, and they talk about, I guess, Campbell's soup thing or whatever. Must read Clinton's pre-presidential epistle, an overview of the current ivory law, whatever. You might really want to check this out, though, folks. If you got time, or you could even watch it online. You could pick out the ones you're interested in. Like they got this one over here, Celebrate Latino Heritage, Vintage San Francisco, Vintage Oklahoma. You click it on, it gives you the times over here. It's 52 minutes, right? Here you can check it out. Really interesting show. I love it. I learned a lot from it. And again, if you're into antiques, you might want to check into it yourself. And and even if you're not, you may want to maybe make a little list when it does come on. And when you go to thrift stores or whatever, or you're going to yard sales, garage sales, whatever, you might want to keep notice or a mental note. If you see, like, let's say, for example, this plate. You might go to a thrift store and see a plate like that there and say, hey, I remember seeing that in the Antique Roadshow. Let me pick it up or whatever. I'm just saying the odds are probably going to be very null, but you never know, But it's really good if you like, antiques. I highly recommend you watch this show if you got the time. I haven't been able to watch as much as I want, but I've been watching online on the internet. So you can check it out as well. And if you want to check this out, I'm just going to give you the URL. You could type it in, or you could just type in on a Google search, Antique Roadshow. But the URL is www.pbs.org, and it's /WGBH/Roadshow. Okay, and you can check it out that way. All right, just going to close out the video here, and I'm just going to close it out. Close this window over here. Put this over here, and I just want to close out this Reseller News Weekend. I hope everybody enjoyed their weekends so far. It's been these 2 days have been really nice over here. I'm in New York. The weather's very comfortable. I'm looking inside the house. The thermometer, it's showing it's 74 degrees, but it's really nice out. Cool, which I like. I like it better than the hot weather we've been having these, a while back. I can't complain about that. But anyway, folks, without any further ado, as far as going on anymore, I just want to say again, thank you so much to all the new subscribers who have subscribed recently to my YouTube channel. I hope you get something out of it. I hope it's very informative. I know there's little tidbits of information out there. I'm hoping they help out. What I'm saying? You get some takeaway from it. And if you do, drop a comment. Let me know. I'd be really appreciated to hear, what you think of it. And again, if you do like the video and the content I put out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. This way, when I do put out new content, you'll be the first to know about it, okay? So please check it out, and I will talk to you the next time. This is Rich Pasini for Reseller News Weekends, signing off. Take care, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Bye-bye now.